How to change the chat theme in Facebook Messenger. So first of all, you go into your Messenger app, click on the chat that you want to change the theme at. Just click on it. You can see that this is a different theme. It is not the normal theme. Now, how do you change it? First of all, you click on the picture of the person at the top left. Click on the picture and you can see the word theme here. Just click on the word theme. Choose the theme that you want. Ooh, Doctor Strange. Let's click on it. And then you can see it has changed. Alright, you can see even the chat is different, the background is different, etc. So this is how you can change it with your mobile. I'm going to show you how you can change in your computer. As you can see in the computer, we do not have the nice wallpaper compared to phone, but still you can still change the colors, etc. As you can see, the color is following the Doctor Strange theme, the red color. So if you do not like the color here at all, so you can change the color as well. Go to top right, you can see the eye icon at the top right, the conversation information. Just click on it and you can see change theme, the same as in the phone. Just click change theme, and when you change theme, you can see there's a few themes here. There's no names compared to what you see in the phone, so it's cooler to change at the phone, but in case you want different color like a lime green color, so you can click here, save here. At least you can see it being a lime green color here, right? So this is how you do it, how you change the chat theme in Facebook Messenger for your mobile and also your computer. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.